Hello YouTube, T-Rex coming at you. I'm in the office today. We're gonna do a little bit of vinyl graphics. I found, or sorry, I didn't find, a fellow YouTuber by the name of Resto Rob needed some graphic work for his YouTube channel, and he's Resto Rob. He specializes in Bonnie tools. So I made something up on the computer, and I'm going to go ahead and make some graphics this morning. It's rainy and miserable outside. That makes my joints and my muscles hurt terribly. So good day to be in the office, not doing a whole lot of physical stuff. So I'm going to go to montage and we'll see how this all turns out. So that's basically what we came up with. I have a couple of things I'm going to have to change. This in here says specializing in. That's way too intricate to do any volume of them. If they were printed stickers, it would be fine. And obviously I cut off the end of the wrench. So the other one looks good. I'm going to keep on weeding, and we have a couple of other things that we're going to do to these. Hey guys, this stuff is a little different. This is called Thermoflex. You have to print on it in mirror, and this is what you use for an iron-on. I think Thermoflex is the brand name, but it's a iron-on material. So I'm going to go ahead and weed this, and I'll see you at the heat press. Mrs. T-Rex, who used to be Nina Signs, is going to take over for me here and get this all laid out. The heat press is coming up to temp. The material we're using needs to be at 335, and we are at 245, so it's coming up.
230.
230.
So we're past it, so we need to...
No, 330.
Oh, 330.
As you can see, we know exactly what we're doing.
It's been a minute. I don't want to do it too far up. I'm going to center it.
He's not bearded.
Yeah, it's okay, but it needs to look centered and square. I only get one shot, so...
Yeah, once this stuff goes on.
Do you have a ruler?
It's right in front of the plotter. As it's coming up to temperature, I will share with you some of our other equipment here. So this is a Titan 15-inch digital plotter. The digital plotter like that is the predecessor to, now people just buy the Cricut. I can buy the Cricut film and I use it in that. So it was pretty high tech. This is actually, I think, the third one we've owned. We have a 24-inch one that we haven't used in, I don't know, a decade. And this little 15-inch at least fits on the table, which is a great thing. Nine and I, years ago, like years and years ago, did Nina Signs, and we did storefronts and vehicles and
boats.
So it's a great little tool. I don't know if, I don't have a Cricut, so I don't know if it does more or less, but I can adjust the down pressure and the speed and all of that happy stuff. So I have a feeling it's right along the same lines if technology moves forward. So we're
at 319, so we're almost there.
Are you going to put the...
Yep.
This is a Teflon sheet.
It doesn't technically need it, but...
It just protects it from stuff sticking together.
And this top part is very hot. We make all our own t-shirts for the farm. It makes great Christmas presents. At one point we sold decals on eBay, and I might do it again. It's time consuming. It's very labor intensive, and it's cool. And if we're doing it for a gift, it's, you know,
You're up to 10.
It's priceless. Okay.
You can make just one of a kind stuff. So, I'd love to tell you that everything's a win, but I said this came from Harbor Freight. I should have had the forethought to think that, oh, maybe I ought to wash it first. So it sticks on bad enough that it can peel off. When this stuff sticks, there's no coming off. So we will send it through the laundry and have a do-over. T-Rex out for now. Alright, so earlier in the video we had problems with the graphics sticking to this made in China Harbor Freight version of an apron. So I took it downstairs and I put it in the washing machine and I ran it through the dryer, and now the decal won't fit anymore because it shrunk that much. Now it's child size. So obviously we're going to have to do something a little different. Oh boy, fail. Epic fail.
Now that's how that's supposed to go.
Okay. There you go, Resto Rob. I'll get that out in the mail as soon as I can. It's probably going to be Monday at least. Enjoy. Happy birthday. Thanks, Mrs. T-Rex.
You're welcome.